So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in photos. Now you want to click on app settings. And then once we're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on repair. Wait for this to load. Now once that's been repaired, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on terminate. And this time you want to click on reset. And then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. Now once that's been reset, see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to scroll down and then click on uninstall. And then click on uninstall again. You want to uninstall the Microsoft Photos app. Don't worry, your photos are not going to be deleted from your computer. You're still going to have them. Now once you uninstall that, you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to search for photos. Now you want to click on Microsoft Photos. And you just want to reinstall it again, and this should now fix your problem.